Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable watch history on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. As you can see, my watch history is turned off and YouTube is asking me to turn it on so that it can recommend videos on my home feed based on my watch history. To enable watch history, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now, in the history section, tap on View All button. As you can see, my watch history is turned off. To turn it on, just click the Turn On button. Click on Turn On again to confirm. That's it, watch history is turned on. This is how you can enable watch history on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.